there is so much going on in the world of cruise news that it is almost difficult to figure out where shall I start. The daily news today will perhaps offer several updates on all that has happened over the last 48 hours. But of course, we will ensure all the time to give you the latest updates and possible explanations as to how these might be impacting you and your travel. On Friday, March 13th, many updates started pouring in, and the Cruise Line International Association, CLIA, with its 60 strong cruise line membership, have been instrumental. It has been instrumental in ensuring that all the cruise lines are on the same page. And so throughout the day of Friday, March 13th, there were releases from the mass market cruise lines and the luxury brands stating there is a cessation, they're ceasing their cruise sailings for various periods, some for 60 days, some for 30 days, with specific start dates in mind. And we will give you that list shortly. Coupled with that, news out of Victoria, Canada indicates that the federal government has temporarily barred all cruise ships and ferries that carry more than 500 people, including crew, from docking in Canada until July to protect against the ongoing and the growing COVID-19 pandemic. And just in case you missed it, the World Health Organization did announce that this outbreak is now at the pandemic stage. So for us here, we will also be providing ways to remain virus free, to keep healthy, and of course, how to prepare for your future travels once this passes over. And very important, we must note and we must always remember that this too shall pass. Minister of Canada, Justin Trudeau, just announced that he will be going into quarantine based on his wife, Sophie, being tested positive with the coronavirus. He also commented that he is in very good health, no aches, no pains. However, he will go into self-quarantine. He has the systems available using technology to work from home, to work remotely, even though he did comment that it sucks having to be isolated because he's a very sociable being. So there you have it. Sophie Trudeau, wife of the Prime Minister of Canada, has been confirmed positive with the COVID-19 virus and is currently in isolation. And we keep you up to date with all the news relating to travel and wellness.